All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of break number 8, which is one of the 1968 Topps original cards boxes. So we'll check the time, October 31st, 6:15 p.m. We'll go over to what we'll call the raffle and type live, not lice. And we have October 31st at 6:15 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That'll work 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Russell, spot number 9. So Russell, whatever we pull out of break number 8 tonight is yours. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, October 31st, 6:16 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.